All right, I'm going to be going through the following CodeWars problem today. Um, Given a string of letters and an array of numbers, the number indicates positions of letters that must be removed in order, starting with the beginning of the array. After each removal, the size of the string decreases. Return the only letter left. So we start with ZBK. Um, we remove the zero elements. We removed Z, so we're just left with B and K. Then we remove the first element, which is the K, and we left with B. So I understand this. Um, all numbers are valid. The given string will never be empty. The length of the array is always one less than the length of the string. All numbers are valid. There cannot be duplicate letters and numbers. So I'm going to use this as my starting case. And anytime you see something that's green, you have a variable name, that's usually a bad sign because that's a protected word in Python. I think this is how you conceal the protected words. So these are Python keywords, and str isn't even in here, but um, anytime this is green, not a good sign. So I'm going to call this my string. And then what else do we have? We have an array of 0 and 1. So with this kind of problem, my kind of thought is I'm going to do it just like they did it here, where um, grab the first element from the array, remove that from the string, grab the second element, remove that from the string. So to me, that's like kind of a for loop problem where I want to iterate through this array. So let's say for I in array. I'll make sure I know what I'm seeing. Oh, I don't want to print array. I want to print I. Now the challenging part is removing the elements that I want to from the string. So I'm going to start with the first case. I want this to be just left with B and K. So I'm going to have to finagle this a little bit. My string. No, let's do it the second element. I think that'll be a little bit easier to start with. Um, so it'll be, I want to grab everything to the left of it. So this would be, I think it would be, oops, this. So that's everything to the left of the element. And then I want to grab everything to the right of the element, which would be, I'm going to do this below, my string to the left of the element. So I think it would be I. Oh, it would be I plus 1, it looks like. So if I add these together, so this is everything to the left of my I, this is everything to the right of I. So this is just removing the 0 or removing the B. If I do I equals 0, I'm left with B and K. If I do I equals 2, I'm left with Z and the B. So I think that's right. My string equals this, and then print my str. So we're left with B. I think this is right, but let's go and run this. Python. My indentions are all kinds of jacked up. And then instead of printing it out, I want to return it. And says array is not defined because these are the variables I was using in my Jupyter notebook. I want to use the variables that they give us. So this would be chords, and this would be letters. This is letters. Letters. So passes all of our test cases. Let's see if it passes everything. And passes everything. So that's my solution. And have fun trying it out if you end up trying it.